Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen ID.4 LIFE DX 77 kWh 174B, a powerful and sleek vehicle with an impressive list of features. From its spacious interior with luxurious trim and ambient lighting to its advanced safety and security systems, this car has it all. Enjoy the convenience of satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity and wireless charging as you drive with confidence thanks to its ABS, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Visit blackwatermotors.ie or call us today to learn more about this outstanding vehicle.